Millie peed on your rug. You have to get rid of him.
Do it now.
Ready? No, loud.
You're not going to do it because you're on camera, are you?
Come on. Ready?
Ashley?
Hey. Oh.
Ashley?
Oh. Hey. Perfect. No, don't pick that up. Ready? It's moving.
Enough? First time she smiled in 3 days.